How to download the firmware for the DJI MIC 2. So first thing you want to do is go to the website. You can either type in a URL, search DJI MIC 2 firmware update, or you can go to what's up here in the URL search here. And so once you're there and you're on the web page, you go into their download section. You just choose this tab right here, and I'm already in the selection, downloads. Then go down to firmware. You'll see firmware here. They have two firmware downloads, one for the receiver and one for the transmitter. Come over here. There's a little icon for a download. Click that, and you're going to get this DJI wireless MIC 2 underscore, and then the RX, that's a receiver, and this is the bin file. This is what you want to download, and then just save it to wherever you want to save it. I'm saving it to my desktop, and you can see here's my desktop over here. I'm going to save it, and you can see it downloaded it, so we're successful there. Then go back into the page, transmitter, and select that download icon. Same thing, save it to your desktop, click save, or save it wherever you want to, and again, check that it's there. Okay, it's there, and there you have it. The next thing I'm going to show you is how you link up your receiver and your transmitter, and how you drop these bin files into the root directory of your transmitter and receiver. Transmitter, which is this bin file right here that I'm clicking on, and you know that that's correct bin file because there's the TX, meaning transmitter, which is your mic. And so the one thing you want to do is, I have two Finder windows open here. The one on the left is where I stored the bin files on my MacBook, and to the right is the desktop. Okay, just showing you what the desktop is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in the mic, and using a USB-C connector, and you will see in a second here, it's going to show up here, and there it is right there. It's a no name. So this is the no name. Right now I click on the left hand side right here, and it's showing the device. My device is just called no name because I have not given it a name yet. If you wanted to give it a name, you could, right click and change it. So you just take this bin file that's here in the Finder window over here, and you just move it over, and you've transferred it. So once you transfer this, it's all set. You just put that bin file into the root directory of your device, which is the no name. So at this point, all you have to do is just unplug your device, which is your mic, but I highly suggest that you don't directly do that. You right click, and then you say eject no name first. Okay, and then once you do that, you just disconnect your mic. Now it's updating. When you see the green light and the red light, and it's flashing intermittently. And then when it stops and turns green, you're all set. Okay, here you have the receiver, and this receiver is turned on. So when you need to check the firmware, all you do is just swipe from the top to the bottom, and then you're going to be in receiver settings and go all the way over to the right till you find the cog. This is the gear. Tap that, and then you're going to swipe from right to left. Go all the way over till you see the version and print in that little letter small I, and then tap that. You'll see the firmware version is 04.04.06.11, and then what you want to do is you want to take that and you want to look in the computer that you had and look at the download firmware version, make sure that these match up. Now if I go over one more to the right, you'll see the transmitter version that's not showing. So that's because the transmitter's not turned on, it's not linked up. And if I turn the mic on, you'll see that now I have the firmware version for the mic. And again, go in your computer, look at the bin file, make sure that they correlate, and you're good to go. That's how you check for the that you successfully updated your firmware on both the transmitter and also the receiver. And to get out, there's a little gray horizontal bar at the bottom. You want to swipe from bottom to up. Do that again, and you're all the way out. There we go. We're all set. Thumbs up. And give us a like and subscribe and comment if you want to. And thanks again.